where you need to go, which is Fiverr.com. I'm going to show you how to get started. This is 100% newbie friendly. Anyone can do it. You can do this as many times as you'd like. I made $6,000 and it works worldwide. Okay, it's all done via PayPal. So if you've got PayPal, you're in. Now, like I said, watch the video to the end because I'm going to reveal my secret site that I go to where I make the money. I can half your time in doing this. Okay, I'll show you exactly what I've done and how you can double it, make this a passive income, how you can outsource everything. It's super, super easy when you know how. So before we get on, guys, can you do me a favor, please? Hit the subscribe. It's just there. Leave me a comment. Anything at all. It doesn't even have to be about Fiverr. If you're stuck on affiliate marketing, if you want to know how to make money, just leave me a comment below. Please leave me a like. Hit the subscribe and we're done. So it's quite easy. Subscribe, bell, like, comment. Perfect. Let's get on with it. So this is, let me just get rid of that, Fiverr.com, which I'm sure everyone is aware of what it is. It's a selling place. It's a platform where you can sell pretty much anything. Now, before we go on to that, let me go to here, dashboard. I'm just going to show you what I'm saying is true. Earnings we want to go to. Well, in fact, I want to go to analytics actually. Let's go to analytics first. So this is in pounds, guys, in pounds. £5,195. That's about $6,500. I've done 959 orders and my average selling price was $6.99. So we go through my Fiverr account. I'm a level 2 seller. 100% response rate, 100% completion rate, 100% are on time. Complete all my orders on time. That's my earnings, and I've never got any warnings. So I've got 524 reviews, 488 of them are positive. And you know what? There are some negative ones there, you know, 1 star, 2 star. Don't even worry about it. You can't please everyone. 29% of the world I've sold one of my gigs in, which is quite amazing. Got Canada, United States, Venezuela, Nicaragua, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, South Africa, some crazy places, Indonesia, Malaysia, 11 actually, Australia, Morocco, France, Spain, Norway, anyway, 4 in Russia. 29% of the world I have sold a gig to. That's pretty good going. So that just shows you it works, you know, 5195. $959, $6.99. So that just proving to you what I'm talking is right. So there are hundreds of gigs on here, as you know, loads and loads and loads. Now, which one do you choose to sell? You want to sell the ones that have great feedback and are in demand. Now, for me, the number one selling gigs are backlinks or SEO products. Now, before you turn off, stop. Don't worry. You don't need to know nothing about them because I'm going to show you what to do. So let's just type in backlinks. So there's 7,372 sellers. It's quite a lot. But let's have a look. This guy here. I will do outreach and get backlinks. He sold over 1,000 at £310. I will do a post on H2 Google News, 24. I will do 55 Google News, SEO service, backlinks, £80, £20. He sold 1,000 at £40, 692 at £72. You know, there is some serious money to be made here. So what I would do is I would find one of these gigs, but not so expensive. Let's just say up to $10. And then we'll find the one that's got the most sales. So just a quick little look here. So that's quite a good one. So this guy here does 75 unique .follow backlinks. Okay. So we'll have a look at this. We are the best. Sounds like you are actually. And he's got 4 different gigs: £4, 4, 807, and £48. And just look at his feedback. 202 feedback. Nice delivery, excellent, excellent, excellent. So we know that he's good. So this is a good gig that you want to be doing. Okay. Now this is where this magic comes in. Just copy that for a minute. 75 unique .follow. Now what you're going to go over to here, you're going to go over to a website called seoclarks.com. The link is below. All right, the link is below this video. seoclarks.com. Now this is another platform where you can get work done. Okay, people will do work for you. So what you type in here is 75 unique do follows. And then we hit search, and then we'll see what comes up. So there's quite a few straight away. So let me just go back here. Manual, unlimited, 100% do follow. Right, so this, I can tell you what's happening here. This guy here is selling exactly the same gig, exactly, for $3. Okay. Oh, there you go. Look, we are the best. He's literally copy and pasting it. Yeah, he's selling it on here for £4, 4, then the standard, and then the premium. So what you would do here, you would make up a graphic like this. You can do it on canva.com, it's free, or get somebody on Fiverr to do it for $5. You would look at his description here and make it like it. Do not copy it because you'll get banned. Make it like it. Okay. Make yourself a little contact me section, a bit about you. If you've got a website, even better. And then put these in. 807.48. Okay. So this guy does it here. He'll deliver it extra quick for a $5, and he's charging $3. So what you could do, you could charge $8 for the basic one. You get an order. You ask him to do it. He emails you it back to say it's done. You pass it on to the customer. You've made $4. It does sound that easy, and it is that easy. That is what I done to make $6,000. Okay, there's tons of sites out there that you can do this on, guys. That's just not the one. There are loads of sites. Let's just go back. Oh, we can get rid of that there. Actually, sorry. Back here, we can find another one. This guy here, 186. I will do, so just copy that. 5 high trust backlinks. I can't talk today. You go back to here, put the search in, hit enter. So he's doing it again for 807. Just wait for it to come up. And then go through this and find basically the cheapest one that's got some good feedback. So you should go, I've just seen one for $1 back there. So let's find this guy. Where did I just see that? Sure, I just saw $1 there. This guy does 15 do follow backlinks. He's only charging $1. You can charge $5. Literally copy some of this, make $4. It is that easy, guys. It's that easy. Now, there is an easier way. I brought out my own product called Fiverrlicious. Now, this is how I made money on Fiverr. Okay, this is how I made over $6,000 on Fiverr, and I outsource every single gig, everything. I don't do anything myself because I don't know how to. All right. Now this course is it's a full course. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos where I show you everything from making the gig, choosing the gig, what gigs to use, everything, right? And I'm doing this on a sale at the moment, guys. I think it's $10. I normally charge $20. There's a free Facebook group to join where we all talk about Fiverr stuff. Honestly, if you're looking at getting started in Fiverr, this is definitely your best way of doing it. There is tons of money in it, but instead of struggling, you can hit the road running with Fiverrlicious, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So Have a look at it, guys. The link's below for the full course. Sign up for it. You ain't going to regret it. It's really, really good. And that is me signing off. But before I go, guys, please, please, please hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, give me a comment. I would be very much appreciated. If you want more Fiverr content, drop me a comment and I'll answer your questions. That's it. I'm Bobby D, and thanks very much.